Howdy everybody, Jacob here with Cultivate Supply at cultivatesupply.com. Today we're going to be showing you all the bells and whistles for the Active Aqua half horsepower chiller. This chiller is super popular right now with the ice plunge crave that's going on. Tons of people are hitting us up trying to get a chiller so they can make their own custom ice plunge. It's an awesome unit. The half horsepower is really the one that we would suggest to start with. They make some smaller ones. They make a quarter, they make a 10th horsepower. Once you really get into the ice plunge and your body temperature starts to raise the temperature in there, the smaller ones can't really keep up. We're showing you the half horsepower one because that's the one that people have the most success with, and honestly it seems to work the best. If you really want to go overboard, they have a 1 horsepower. You know, I wouldn't say that's a bad idea, especially if there's multiple people using it, you're using it multiple times a day, or you really want to be able to achieve those super low temperatures. So, like I said, this is the Active Aqua horsepower chiller. We're just going to kind of go through the easy assemble without the tank, and make sure you check out some of our other videos where we actually have a tank and some of the guys get wet. Okay, so here on top, there's going to be an in and an out. This is for your water. There's an in where the water is going to be coming through the pump into the chiller where it gets chilled and then back out into your tank. So a lot of people don't realize this, but the chiller actually does not come with a pump. You need a pump to really make it work the best way possible. Some people will hook it up without the pump and it just kind of trickles out. It doesn't really seem to work. You need a pump to go with it. Here I have an EcoPlus 633. You can use anywhere from about a 500 to 1,000 gallon per hour pump. You just need to make sure it has the capability to go inline because you do not want to have the pump inside your actual reservoir. If there's an electrical leak or something like that, you'll end up shocking yourself. Not a good look. So you want to make sure that you have an inline pump like this that we also sell. You can see it on our website right below the chiller. So first things first, we're going to take these 3/4 inch adapters that they give you. They give you a 1/2 inch adapter as well. It seems to flow better and keep cooler temperatures with the 3/4, so that's what we're gonna use. Really easy, it just pops right on there. Screw it on, make sure it's nice and tight. Out, in, the in here is at the back, the out is in the front. Next, we're gonna go from our pump. So we're gonna go from our pump to the in. Simple 3/4 inch tubing. We have this available on our website as well. Just like that. Make sure that the chiller where it's sitting is not being strained by where the pump is. So we'll have these separate just like that. This piece right here is what's actually gonna go in to your cold plunger tank. Most cold plunges should have some sort of a tub outlet or some sort of outlet at the bottom of the tank. This would go directly into that so it can pull water easily through the chiller and then right back into your tank. Some people I've seen where they have this and it dangles over the side. It will work, but it's not as efficient as it could be. So if you need help with figuring out how to get a tub outlet into the bottom of one of your tanks, let us know. That's also something we sell. Lastly, we're gonna go from the chiller back into wherever your reservoir is or wherever your water source. So real simple, water comes in through here, goes through the pump, through the chiller, gets cold, chills down, and goes back out with the cold water back into the reservoir. This is a digital display. It's really nice. It has a lot of functions in terms of how cold you can go. There's also ways that you can trick it to go even colder. We may have a video coming out about that as well. So this is the Active Aqua half horsepower chiller. It's what we recommend for all of our personal cold plunges at home. If you have any other questions, make sure to reach out to us either in the comments or call us in at the store at Cultivate Supply and cultivatesupply.com, and we will see you next time.